Alright, my partner gets IP flooded. We're up 1-0 right here. OMG for the win. 1-0, OMG, Jokesy. There's their name right there. Alright, we're winning right now. Let me just play this real quick. Oh. Okay, so I killed one. Where's my partner at? I don't know why it doesn't show the name. This mode sucks. Oh yeah, and here's where he gets it. His hand. Alright, so it don't show the name, but look. Alright, let me rewind that. Alright, let me pause this real quick. Alright. It don't show the name, but you see, I'm dead. He's alive. Alright, it's a 2v2 right now. Alright. Let me unpause this. Alright, he's lagging out. Alright, and then I just win. Because he timed out. So that's proof. IP flooded. Thanks.